Hello, I'm Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called CourseCREEK. CourseCREEK is a boutique agency that helps authors, thought leaders, public speakers, augmentation for learning and development departments at large enterprise companies monetize their expertise through asynchronous and synchronous course creation and live training programs. And then we go on beyond that and market those platforms for our clients. This little how-to composition is flying over 30,000 feet. It's going to be super basic. I'm not going to get into great details. It's just something I think that you guys need to know before you invest in a learning management system. Okay. And I'm titling this composition the 3 genres of learning management systems. Okay. Now, I'm going to preface this by saying I'm probably oversimplifying for sure, but I think this is a good place to start if you're looking for an LMS and you don't consider yourself to be an expert at this. Okay. I'm going to start from the simplest to the most sophisticated. Down here in the simplest spectrum are platforms that are designed for small business owners, medium-sized business owners that are oriented around one product, one service, and inside that one service would be the need to market and sell themselves as well. So, for example, in another life, I'm a voice coach and I use a platform called Kajabi, which is a great platform. And it's great for a voice coach because I've got the courses to sell, but I'm also selling me. I'm a coach. People are going to work with me one-on-one. So that environment is great for that kind of coach. And Kajabi is a great platform. I think it's the second best platform. All right, let's go up line a little bit. What I believe to be the best platform in the market now, and it's not just my opinion, it's my well-trained, highly experienced staff out at our team page will vouch for this. That is a platform that's designed to kind of hit that middle area. You can do solopreneurs, but it's designed to take on B2B jobs. It's designed to enable you to be able to license your content to large companies that are going to bring their employees in or their students in. So you can sell groups of seats. And that platform is none other than LearnWorlds. LearnWorlds is brilliant. We love LearnWorlds. Several reasons. 1, LearnWorlds designs on a liquid platform. It's very fluid on the eye. So the design templates are gorgeous. They look great. 2, LearnWorlds is SCORM compatible, which is fancy e-learning talk for a specific kind of file that enables course creators to put highly engaging user content, learner content inside the lessons. I like to say content, user experiences that are sort of like pop-up books for adults, bells and whistles, lean forward, click the mouse, move things around on the screen. All right. And that's really helpful and super important in regards to having great learning experiences for your learners. Okay. And because of that, 3, SCORM compatibility, LearnWorlds is very attractive to large companies who want to put their employees, and if it's an institution, their students, into SCORM engagement systems. It allows you to sell bulk seats. It is a multi-tenancy system, meaning if your client is Nike, Safeco, and Boise Cascade, they can bring their employees in to consume your course content without interfering with each other, without any bleed over the wall, so to speak. All right. It's multi-tenancy. Got to have that for a really good, proper B2B. It's also mobile friendly. They have wonderful new AI tools on the inside that help you hasten the time it takes to create courses, and I could go on. It's fantastic. We do a lot of LearnWorlds work. Now, above that sweet spot where LearnWorlds is really capitalizing on is another class of learning management system that tends to be into enterprise companies that are training their employees. So it would mostly only sit inside a large company. Okay, B2B only, no B2C. Platforms that are great for that we also can work on, that we do work on from time to time, is Talent LMS and Docebo. Okay, they have all of this multi-tenancy features that LearnWorlds has, but they can do even more. And of course, that means you're probably going to invest more. So let's just summarize my little tutorial here, okay? Choosing your learning management system is no doubt probably one of the most important, if not the most important, first, most risky decision you have to make when you go in to make a course. So make sure you do not choose the wrong platform, because if you get into it with the wrong platform, you're going to have to pull stakes, rip the whole thing apart, and start all over. Very expensive and a huge nightmare. Okay? Real quick. Solopreneur, thought leaders, it's about your product and you. Kajabi. Solopreneur, thought leader, it's about your product and you. And you have a B2B model. You want to license to large companies at the same time. LearnWorlds. Not going to do any B2C and need some high-powered features that LearnWorlds doesn't offer. Talent LMS and Docebo. Okay? If you're interested in a consultation or additional support and help in choosing your learning management system, we'd be honored to hear from you and help you out with that. I hope this little video was helpful for you. Have a good day. Thank you.